Good morning everyone. Welcome back in this class. Today we are with one of most wanted topic, that is the congruent triangle. Under the previous session we have completed the concept of the integers, division and multiplication of fraction, data handling, lines and angles, linear equation and triangle. In this sequence we will discuss about the congruent triangle and condition of the congruent triangle. So now let us start. First of all, we will discuss about the congruent triangle. As you know that congruent triangle means if two or more than two figures, their shape and size is same, they are congruent to each other. Suppose that you have 2 points and they are coincide or overlap to each other, then they are said to be congruent. Now another example here. Suppose that a line segment AB and the length of AB is here 5 centimeter. Now another line segment is given, that is CD. The length of CD is also 5 centimeter. Then these line segments are said to be congruent because the shape of this figure, that is the line segment AB, and the CD is also line segment, and size is here. The length of AB is 5 centimeter and length of CD is also 5 centimeter. The size of both figures, that they are the same. So it is clear that the shape of both figures, that is line segment and size, they are the length of 5 centimeter, they are also same. So AB and CD here both are congruent. Now another example is here. Suppose that a circle whose radius is 2 centimeter. Now another circle, its radius also 2 centimeter. 2 and 2 centimeter. So they are said to be congruent because the shape of both figures, they are circle, and size means radius. The radius of both circle is 2 centimeter. So it is called the congruent. If the two or more than two circles, there are given radius is same, then all the circles will be congruent. Now another example, two rectangles are congruent if they have same length and same breadth. Suppose that rectangle that is A, B, C and D. The length of rectangle is here 4 centimeter, and now suppose that BC is 3 centimeter. So now another rectangle is also given, that is DEF. EFGH, and length of rectangle EFGH, they are 4 and 3 also. So here is the ABCD and EFGH. Both rectangles are congruent because the length of both rectangles will be same, and breadth of both rectangles will be same, and shape of both figures that is the rectangle. So it is clear that the two rectangles, they are congruent if the length of both rectangle and breadth of both rectangle will be same. So now the next is, what is the congruence of triangle? Congruent triangle means if the two are more than two triangles, they are said to be congruent if their shape and size will be same. So here there are the two triangles. Suppose that is triangle A, B, C, and now the next triangle, that is D, E, F. So there the two triangle is given here. First triangle is a triangle A, B, C. Now another triangle, that is D, E, F. D, E, F. The shape of both figures, these are the shape of triangle. Now next is the size of both triangle is same. So here is there are four conditions between the two triangles. If their sides, all sides are equal, they are congruent to each other. So now the first condition of the congruency in the triangle, that is the yes, yes, yes. Now the first condition of the congruency is given here. Side, side, side. Yes, 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 yes. So here is the first condition of the congruency, that is side, side, side. So we know that triangle having three sides, if the two are more than two triangles, they are said to be congruent if the all sides, corresponding sides are same. So now here is the two triangle is given here. First triangle is ABC and second triangle is DEF. So apply the first condition of the congruency is here, side, side, side. Side, side, side means if the both triangle, their corresponding sides is same, that is AB equal to ED. Now next is the AC equal to DF and BC equal to EF. Suppose that AB equal to 3 centimeter, 3, 4 and 5. Now next is 3, 4, 5. So here is the comparison between the two triangles. That is, the first triangle is ABC and second is the DEF. So the length of AB, that is 3 centimeter, and length of AC is 4 and length of BC, that is 5. Now another example, other triangle, that is D equal to 3 and DF equal to 4 and DF equal to 5 centimeter. So here is the comparison between the two triangles. Their corresponding sides are same here, that is the AB equal to DE. They are, the length of both sides is same in this figure, so AB equal to DE. Now next is the length of AC is given here 4 centimeter, and in this side DF equal to 4 centimeter. Now another third side is the BC is given here 5 centimeter, and the length of EF equal to 5 centimeter. So here the AB equal to AD, that is side. Next is AC equal to DF. here also side and BC equal to EF, that is side. So apply the congruency rule, first rule, the side. If the two triangles there are three sides is same, they are congruent to each other. So triangle ABC congruent triangle DEF. So the symbol of the congruency is here, that is symbol of congruency. If the two triangles are congruent, the symbol of congruency, that is denoted as this symbol. So triangle ABC and DEF, they are congruent. So apply this symbol, triangle ABC congruent triangle DEF. Now next is the second congruency rule, that is side angle side. Now next is side angle side. Side angle side. So here the second congruency rule, side angle side, means if the two triangles there are two sides is same and between the two sides, the angle between the two sides is also same, they are congruent to each other. Means if the two triangle is given here, first is the first rule of the congruency, side. Next one is the side angle side. So here the next rule of the congruency, that is the side angle side. If the two triangles having the two sides is same and one angle is also same, they are congruent to each other by the congruency rule, that is the side angle side. Suppose that there are the two triangle is given here. First is A, B, C, that is 60 degree, 3 centimeter and 3 centimeter and 4 centimeter. Now next is the another triangle that is DEF. The length of D is given here 3 centimeter and the length of EF is given, that is 4 centimeter, and the angle between DEF is also given here the 60 degree. So these triangles are congruent because the comparison between the both triangle, that is AB equal to ED. So here the length of AB is 3 centimeter and this triangle the length of DE is also 3 centimeter. So these sides ED and AB will be same because the measures of the length in both sides will be is same. So now next is the here is the angle ABC and the corresponding angle in the DEF, that is DEF is also 60 degree. So these angles is same, that is angle ABC equal to angle DEF, that is side angle. Now next side of this both triangle, the length of BC is 4 centimeter and length of EF is also 4 centimeter. So both sides is same is here, that is BC equal to EF, that is side. So triangle ABC and DEF is congruent triangle ABC congruent triangle DEF by the congruency rule, that is side by the side angle side. So here is the two triangles, they are congruent. The congruency rule, the first congruency rule, that is the side means if the two triangles having their all the corresponding sides is same, they are congruent to each other. Now the next rule, that is side angle side, if the two triangles having the two sides is same and one angle between both sides is also same, they are congruent to each other. So now this example, that is there are the two triangles, suppose that ABC and the length of AB equal to is given here 3 centimeter and BC is given here 4 centimeter, and AB and BC between the side AB and BC is 60 degree. Now another triangle DEF is also here. The length of D equal to 3 centimeter and the length of EF is given here 4 centimeter, and between both sides the angle measure, that is 60 degree. So now comparison between the two triangle is first side, that is AB equal to D, because the length of both sides is same. Now next angle ABC and the corresponding angle in other triangle, that is the DEF, is also equal. We can see that another side BC equal to EF. So these conditions followed by both triangle, then the congruency rule applies here, side angle side. They are said to be the congruent triangle ABC, congruent triangle DEF.